Osteoarthritis is a progressive degenerative disease of a joint. The basic causes of osteoarthritis in the knee are obesity. It is more common in females. It might be genetic. It might get involved with the people who have met with an accident involving the joint, that is post-traumatic arthritis. And there are many other reasons like rheumatoid arthritis. There are certain diseases which will lead to osteoarthritis, like rheumatoid arthritis in the hip. You can say post AVN, that is avascular necrosis of the femoral neck, that leads to the osteoarthritis of the hip.